Green Tech Energy Systems introduces the 20-watt LED Gooseneck Barn Light, built for powerful, dependable outdoor lighting. Delivering 2,600 lumens while operating at just 20 watts, this fixture replaces up to 150-watt incandescent lights, providing bright 5,000K daylight illumination with outstanding energy efficiency. Designed for flexibility, it features an adjustable swivel knuckle up to 210 degrees, allowing you to direct light exactly where it's needed. This fixture operates on 100 to 277 volts with a CRI above 80 for accurate color rendering, functioning reliably in temperatures from -40 to 50 degrees Celsius. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy and IP65 rated for outdoor use, certified UL, CUL, and DLC Premium, and backed by a 5-year warranty. Visit our website www.greenlightdepot.com or contact us today to upgrade your outdoor lighting.